So, first off, Coach Flynn, congratulations. All 8 of your guys are going to the 3rd session tomorrow, Friday. Just talk about the 1st and 2nd session and what you saw out of your guys.
Well, it might be a record for us, 8 guys in the 2nd day. So, that's good. Second round was tough. We dropped some, but we wrestled some good kids. We just have to be ready tomorrow, and have a good attitude, and I think we will.
You got to be happy with your 5 guys in the 1st session winning their 1st round matches. Was there any that stuck out to you?
No, I thought all year we were wrestling hard, and sometimes we're just not wrestling well. But I'm happy with our effort, and we'll see tomorrow.
And then how about Chase Delaney with his ability to make it past the 1st day and everything, considering he only knew for a week that he was going to be here?
Yeah, Chase is he's a good wrestler. When he wrestles his style and sticks to what he's good at, he's hard to beat. We knew he had a good chance of getting some wins out here, and I think we can get a couple more tomorrow.
And then were there any other matches that you thought you guys did pretty well in?
No, I thought those were tough matches. These last couple, to come back and win it, late at night, the wrestle backs. Pat and Ty did a nice job.
And any final remarks before heading tomorrow?
Go Burrow.
As always, thanks, Tim.
Yep.
Good job.